Hello everybody, my name is Leonid and today I'm reviewing the Apple leather case in saddle brown color. Let's do it. Let's open the box and look on our case. As we can see, inside of this case we have microfiber. It will absorb all dust and our phone will look like new. The buttons made from aluminium. It's pretty cold and give to this case premium feeling. It feels like real leather. Let's put it on the phone. It pops really easy. We can see that it is made for the iPhone by Apple. It means that this case fits perfect. Really solid. The price is around 50 bucks. Someone can say that it is too much, but you have premium quality for this money. I will make the video in a couple months and we will see how it will change the color. I will show it to you.